Hey, how you doing, YouTubers? I was about to do my pest control fumigation, and I thought I'd make you guys a video. I have another video doing the review on the sprayer, the electric. It's cordless. It operates with a battery. First, it's compatible with Makita. So I have another video of doing the review. So anyway, I'm gonna start doing my spraying for the house because I have some black widows everywhere now. You're supposed to do that every 6 months, and it's been like 9 since I did my last one. So those critters, they're coming out. So I'm gonna do my fumigation. So I'm gonna show you how I do it and what I use. Okay, this is what I use. I have it's available on the e-store on eBay. They're not sponsoring. This is the product I use. It's good for all kinds of critters. What I mainly use it is, and it works, as for black widows and termites, and I think it kills ants too, and all kinds of. There's a huge list on the animals that it kills. So anyway, I already have my measurement here. It's 0.8 ounces. So I'm gonna need 32 ounces for this job. Okay, so I'm just going to, I don't use this. I just go straight and use my my little container. So first, I think you got to shake it. Okay, so I shook it. So I'm gonna do my 32 ounces. I guess that's when I bought it, and that's when I did my last fumigation. So anyway, I have my 32 ounces. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, so the way that I do it is I get about 3 gallons and a quarter, 3 gallons and 3/4, and I leave 1/4 for the mixing of the product. Okay, so it's already got a bunch of water in it. So what I do is I start spraying and drop the product at the same time, so it mixes up. Okay, so I just dumped all the product, and it was mixed with the water running. So now I'm gonna put the strainer back. I'm gonna close it. Okay, and then you gotta wear some protections because you're dealing with chemicals. So make sure you got a full coverall and some nice mask with some nice filter protection. All right, so it's gonna cover my head, my face, and my legs, and my hands. I'm gonna wear some gloves too. So I'll be fine, okay? I'm not a professional, so just follow all your safety guidelines, whatever you are, okay? This is just a DIYer, so always protect yourself at all times, okay? All right, so I'm gonna wear all of that, and I'm gonna start spraying. Okay, guys, I am all suited up. I'm going to use my gloves and my mask. You probably won't hear me that much talking, all right? So I'm going to start doing the spraying. The spraying is usually 4 feet on the wall, 4 feet on the ground, okay? All over the house. So you're going to see me in action. I probably won't talk no more. And then I'm going to end the video. So after that, like and subscribe, all right? Hope you like this video. And this product is only outdoors. Do not use it indoors. And just keep all your pets and children away from this product, and everybody from this product, okay? Because it's dangerous. All right, there we go, guys.